were some problems with the last video. You never know how these things are going to go. Sound was one, exposure was another. So I'm going to try my damnedest to get this to work right. And another thing I did, the tripod I was using, it didn't work quite right. So I brought along this tripod right here. This is I think it's called a Collapsus Spider tripod.
Help! It's got me! Help!
Obviously, that was a joke. Alright, we're going to take a walk up to the target. And you can see this is a fresh target. Okay, now let's go ahead back. I'm your personal shooting friend. Now, this sucker is actually loaded already. Now, I'm going to take my first shot and show you. No tricks, okay? No tricks. Alright, should I shoot more, or should we go check it out? Alright, you're probably curious about this gun. Alright. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, so I'm going to have to try to show you in real time. Alright. I picked up a pellet. Drop it in there. You listen for the click. And then cock it. That's it. I'm ready for another one. I'm going to shoot at the same target. You're not going to believe this. You're really not. Alright. Let's go see what happened over here. Alright. There's two shots. Okay? They're both dead. This is it right here. That's a Daisy 499B. I'm going to try to show you real quick here what happens when you look through a peep sight. Can you see that? When you look through sorry, I have a little cough. That's called flu season. See it right there? Okay. Need to check the distance. So right here, we'll turn on a distance kilometer, laser distance meter. It has a, you see a laser? That's like a cat toy, except it's different. So, I'm looking for the distance from right about here, where the barrel is, up to there. So, now I'm going to focus up that way. And that's it. 5.23 meters. And for people that don't know, that's 17.3 feet. It's not. 16.8 feet. That's it right here. Nenotech.